Okay, so today we've got this Lenovo ThinkBook here. We're going to be changing the battery out. We'll also take a look at the RAM, the hard drive, and possibly the fans too. So I might as well do the whole thing on it. One video will show you how to pretty much fix most of the things that can be wrong with it. So first thing is, undo all the screws. You might want to keep track of these. I think these are different sizes. Those ones don't want to come out, so. Now, these ones seem to be, these front ones all seem to come out. These ones don't. They seem to be stuck there, so whatever. We're going to leave them. We're going to try popping this out. Okay, maybe not. Do it from the front here. There she goes. That's that. Pretty simple. Battery right here. Very simple to do. First thing before we do anything on any of these computers is we want to disconnect the battery. Get the power out of this thing. This is a good idea to hit the power button, just cycle the power out. Okay, so now that that's out, battery is simply a few screws, but there is a couple little things you got to watch here. That's it with the battery right there. You do got to watch this guy, because this guy does weave in and out from the battery, so you want to be careful with that. That's it. That's the battery out of that guy. Pretty simple. Hard drive's right here. And if you're using the larger size hard drive, like, let's grab one here. So if you're using a larger size hard drive, it'll just placing it with a bigger drive. There you go. If you're going to use one of these, you just unscrew it from here. That's that. RAM. Here's your Wi-Fi card, if that's what you're going with. RAM's just under here, 2 sticks. Not going to pull it out here. Fan, 1, 2, 3 screws. The fan, it's got a cable that comes down here. And then this is the fan cable here. To unplug it. Simple as that. That's pretty much it. There's not much to this guy. So yeah. I'll have links for the battery. I'll have links for the battery, for the fan, in the description below. So if you need to replace these, well, you'll know where to get them. The links will be probably the cheapest place to get them, and most likely the fastest delivery as well. So yeah, that's about it.